Okay, I'm going to show you guys today how to replace broken wheel studs on this is a 91 Honda Accord. Now, I went to the Honda repair specialist here locally, and they told me I've got to take the ball joints out and pull this out and take this off, take the tie rod off, and then beat it out from the back, and that's what you got to do to replace these. Now, so we've got two that are broken, but I thought, well, that seems to be a lot of work. Incidentally, we're leaving out the irrelevant background rock music. Hope that's okay. But actually, there's an easier way to do it. What we're going to do is going to remove the brake caliper. Two bolts. Now, I've done this. I practiced for this video, so it would go smoothly here. 17 millimeter. You've got two bolts. You take the top one out, and there's one down here. You take the bottom one out. I was just able to push it with my foot. It wasn't that tight. And another thing you've got to do, you need to push the piston back, locate the piston, and then lightly. And what you want to do, let me back up, you want to loosen your bleeder valve so the piston can back up, relieve the pressure. And then I just gently tapped a screwdriver and then pushed the piston back, and you can see it moving. And that frees it up so it doesn't clamp your rotor so tightly. And what you want to do too is get a bungee cord. What did I do with my bungee cord? So, we take the two bolts out, we push the piston back, this will come off, don't let it dangle. I use a bungee cord. Bungee it somewhere. They need to be. Okay, so. It turns out we have an access panel back here. Let me show you that. I'm going to move the camera. Can you see here, when you take the brake caliper out, you've got an access panel back here, a cutout. I'm going to rotate. I've got two broken studs. Maybe I'll just do one here for you, but I rotate it to where I can see the back side of that wheel stud, and then I'm just going to stand up, I guess, and beat it out the back. There, it came out. Okay, so here's the broken, one of the two broken. Put the new one in. Got these off of eBay. Comes through, and then here you can see my old lug nut. The stud broke off in there. Just suck it up with the nut. I don't need to show you how to do that. You get the idea. You might want to tap it in to hold it so it doesn't turn, and suck it up. And I'll be doing that with this other broken stud too. Let me say one other thing before we close here. You get a lot of misinformation, but if you need to replace your CV shaft, they'll tell you take the lower ball joint out, take the fourth bolt out, but all you got to do, you got two bolts up here on your upper shock absorber. Take those two out, pull it forward. You don't have to take all that other stuff out, and that gives you enough clearance to pull your CV shaft out. You don't have to do all that other stuff the garages and some of the YouTube videos tell you, and make it a lot easier on you. And we have a video too, show you how to take this. I am putting one together. How to do take this axle nut off And these bolts can be hard to get off too. You can see I got two new ones.